Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Happy Monday. Happy Monday to everybody. It is the day after Mother's Day, so hope everybody had an awesome weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all of those mothers out there. Hope you had a great day with your family and your kids. Let's see, I'll give everybody a minute here to log in. So I see that people are logging in. Sometimes there is a little delay. I see some people joining, so thank you very much for joining. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Thank you, everybody. Hello, Hillary. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. Marcus and I appreciate all your support. We have been super lucky and super grateful for all of you through the last year and almost a half now. So thanks for watching. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're here today. Let's see, Monday. It is Monday. So Mondays start our new 99 special for the week. And we thought we'd go big this time. We thought we would do a big one that we haven't done before. We are doing $9.99 burgers to go all week long. Remember, we are closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, but it is burger special all week, even the vegetarian chickpea burger, $9.99 all week. It does not come with any sides, so you can order sides. We have some local asparagus in. It's beautiful. We have a limited amount of that. Hopefully we'll get some more in shortly. You know, last year, we barely got asparagus last year because everybody was buying food for home, and the supply was low for the amount of demand. So we have asparagus in, local asparagus, so you can order some asparagus with your burger. Remember, we are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We have lots of awesome other things going on here. Tonight is our wine dinner, so we have our Long Island wine dinner. So we brought home some wines from Long Island, Raphael Winery. We are going to throw a bonus wine in there too. We have a couple of spots available still. If you want to come last minute, it is $29 a person. Starts at 6:30. We have, it's going to be smoked duck tonight. That is going to be the dish. Let's see. I know I'm forgetting something. We have a ribeye special as well. So 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine for $34.99 to go. The burger special is to go, $9.99 to go this week. And let's see.
Talk about the bonus wines tonight.
I did. I talked about the bonus wines tonight. So, all right, awesome. I am going to make a pomegranate spritz. I'm going to put ice in my glass. I am going to use organic Granger vodka. So there's organic Granger vodka, 2 ounces of vodka. I am going to use a splash of pomegranate, so probably about 1 ounce of pomegranate. I'm going to put a splash of lime juice in there. And you could top this off with Prosecco, or you can top it off with soda. I'm gonna top it off with soda today. So there you have it, nice and simple, easy. You can flavor it with whatever juice you would like to. So pomegranate spritz, lime juice, pomegranate juice, and vodka. Ooh, nice and refreshing. Cheers to everybody. Again, our $9.99 special this week to go is our burger special. And we're closed Tuesday, Wednesdays. We're open all weekend. Let's see what happens with the streets this weekend. Hopefully we'll get the streets open so that you can sit out on the streets. Can you please sign me up for the wine dinner? Absolutely, Matthew. We will add one for you. We'll see you tonight at 6:30. Awesome. And that's it, everybody. I'm going to say goodbye. Marcus and I are off to Buffalo tomorrow. We are going up to see Justin and to watch some baseball. So we'll be back on Thursday. Taking 2 days off, traveling up to Buffalo. And that's it. Have a great night, everybody. And I will see everybody soon. Talk to you later. Bye. Cheers.